I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Today we're looking at phone vocabulary. So let's do this. Call me. Okay, so this is the phone. And this is the keypad. Okay. And this is the answering button. And this, obviously, is to end the call. And this is the star key, this is the hash key. This key is for the loudspeaker. And this, if you scroll down, it gives you the list of people who are in your phone book. Okay, phone book. Phone book is where all your numbers will be. Have an answering machine, for your phone. If you activated it, and what do you say? What kind of a message do you leave for the people who you can't get to at the moment? So you say, for example, hi, I'm Shahi. Please leave your name and your number after the tone, and I will get back to you when I'm free. I will get back to you means I will call you. Okay? If I'm on a call right now, hello, hi, how are you? Okay, yeah? And then somebody's calling me, and then I'll say, just hold on. That means just wait, hold on, I'm on a call, okay? We don't say I'm in a call, no. I'm on a call, which means I'm talking to somebody. I'm talking to somebody, okay? So here are some phrasal verbs related to the phone. To pick up the phone, hello, is to answer it. To cut the call means to press the red button and cut it off. Means you didn't finish the call, you just cut it. And then when you go back to the person, you say, I'm sorry, I had to cut the call because I had an emergency, okay? That means you didn't tell them I will call you back or anything, you just cut it and you just left them. Okay, so when you're listening to somebody sometimes and you can't hear them, what do you say? You say, hello, I can't hear you. Who's calling? I can't hear you. You're breaking up. Sometimes they have that sound. You know, this sound comes up. That means it's breaking up. The call is breaking up. Somebody's not breaking anything, but it means the sound is breaking. Okay? If we try to call someone and maybe their phone is busy, we say, the line is engaged. Your phone was engaged. Okay. Or we say, I couldn't get through to you. I tried to call you, but I couldn't get through to you, which means I couldn't reach you. Okay. Sometimes when we call a company or something, they say, I will put you through. I will put you through, which means I will connect you to the person you want to speak to. Okay? And sometimes we say there is no reception. You know what that means already, don't you? If you don't have reception on your phone, it means you can't connect to somebody properly. So maybe you can say, like we said before, the line is breaking up because I haven't got reception. The reception is bad. That you can say, I'll get back to you, which means I'll call you back. So you can say, I'll call you back in 5 minutes. I have something to do, okay? For example, if you want to go to the bathroom and you don't know what to say and you say, oh, I have an emergency. I think someone's at the door. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can, which means I'll call you back as soon as I can. So you can say, I'll call you back. If you want to take a message for someone, you can say, if they say, for example, they say, hi, can I talk to Shahi? And you say, oh, Shahi's busy at the moment. Or whatever your name is, Adam, Sarah, Lisa, Batiza, I don't know. Okay, so you say, this person is busy at the moment. Can I take a message? I'll let them know, which means I will tell them, and they will call you back later. They will phone you, give you a call later, okay? So we say give you a call. they will give you a call. Can you give me a call when you're free? Yes, I will give you a call when I'm free. Okay, so how do we end the call? We say, okay, bye, and then we hang up. Bye, take care, okay, see you. And then we press the red button and we hang up, which means the call has been closed, the call has ended. Okay, if there are any questions regarding the vocabulary or anything that have not been covered, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video and you found it helpful, please like and share. I hope you have a wonderful day, and call me. Talk to you soon. Take care, and bye for now.